Hi, hello, welcome you all to the channel, and this is my first video in this channel, and this channel has been created for a purpose to discuss more about market profile, and the purpose of this channel is to share the learnings of market profile from basics till advanced level. So the market profile, it's a very for the beginners I am saying. So market profile is a very old system, and it is a very one of the good system to understand what the market is actually doing now. So that tells you very clearly, when compared to traditional charts, market profile gives lot of hidden information, lots of data oriented. If you research the market profile, if you understand the concepts of market profile, it gives you a lot of information what is really happening in the market, and that we are going to discuss in detail in every single video right from today. And this is the first video, so we are starting with the basics of market profile. So starting from basics, and each and every concepts, there are so many concepts in market profile, and the most important thing, the market profile can be useful to identify the institutional activity. So institutions are the key players in the market, right? So that activity, we smart money zones and smart money footprints and all, we are going to identify. That is not from any of the indicator, that is only from market profile, which is not an actual indicator, but it tells you with the data. So the data we are going to take, and the data we are going to research, and then that data is going to tell you what kind of activity is really doing, the market is doing. So that differentiates between a false and true breakout. That gives you a bad that gives you that can actually filter your bad trades and all. So everything, every hidden information what is inside the market, it will tell you through its data. So right from the basics, today we'll start off with the basics like market profile learning. What is TPO? This is one of the basic concept of market profile. Starting from basics, we are learning what is TPO. So TPO is nothing but the abbreviation of TPO is time, price, and opportunity. So every analysis, that is most of the analysis based on price action, and that is not only price levels. So here what we are doing is, we are also comparing, we are also taking the time as an important element. So that gives a lot of information what is really happening, whether the smart money is really interested to buy or sell side. So everything, lots and lot of information, whether they are doing a true upside movement or a fake one, false breakout or true breakout, everything that tells you, because of we are including some element called time. So including price, we are also adding time. That is one of the most important component of market profile, which is really missing in other factors, other analysis point. That is very important over here. So market profile tells you the price along with the time. That is very important. So time, price, and opportunity. If the time spent on a particular price, that gives an opportunity to buy or sell. So that is an abbreviation of TPO. So what is TPO? How could you able to see the TPOs in market profile chart? I will tell you. So this is an HDFC bank, and if you see, 30 minutes time frame is the appropriate time frame to do a daily analysis, where 30 minutes split ups will give you a lot of information. What is the where the market is open and how it is reacting after the opening till its closure. So if you see the HDFC bank on this day, that is on 5th of November, comparative to traditional charts as well. I have also taken the traditional charts, and the 5th of November recently, the HDFC bank has a very good buying pressure, right? Starts from 1700 and it went till 1760. But here on a daily analysis, we could not find anything like where the time has been spent more. So it is only the comparison between the price, right? So 1700 to 1754, there is a good buying pressure we could see, and the price has gone up and it has closed well, and almost the bullish scenario we could see on that particular day, that is on especially 5th of November. But if you see the other factors, that is very important, which market profile is actually considering the time element, which we saw here as TPO abbreviation. So it tells you very clearly market open at this level 1702, and every 30 minutes, it consists of, it starts from alphabetical order A and it ends with M till M. Every A period and individual B, C, every period consists of 30 minutes, because it's a 30 minutes time frame, right? So A period consists of 30 minutes starting from A till M. It will consist of 30 minutes, and only the M period, due to the time, that is L period is still 3:15, so M period consists of only 15 minutes at the before the closure of the time, that is only the M period alone consists of 15 minutes. Otherwise, till L period, it is 30 minutes. So right from A till L period, every single day you could find this is called an alphabetical order, which is an arrangement of TPO. So alphabetical order wise, every 30 minutes starts from A period till L period consists of 30 minutes, and M period alone, due to the time, that is after 3:15, there is only 15 minutes left for the day to close. So 3:15 onwards, it is only 15 minutes for the M period. So if you see here, market profile tells you along with the TPO that initially A period, B period and C period, which we learned here in other factors and all, initial balance and all, we learn it later, but it tells you very clearly don't have the buying pressure to go upside. So what happens then, D and E period is almost 11:15, it has come down, and almost here most of the time has been spent, that is especially from 1712. So where we could find this information is only through market profile we could get this information, because it's actually a zone which has been created along with the time spent on the market. Whereas here we could not find, it's a single candle, and even if you split, it is going to be either 15 minutes or 30 minutes candle that is going to tell with the upside movement only, but not where the time actually spent for a particular day. So that is a major important thing for market profile. So it tells you with every TPO, with every alphabetical order, with every 30 minutes, it tells you very clearly where the time has been spent, in which period, in which time frame, that is after 10 o'clock or after 11 o'clock, after first half or second half. So every alphabet with a calculation we could able to see whether the market is really giving a move or it is giving a fake move. So many things are involved in this profile knowledge, which we are going to share it later. But to understand what is TPO, how it could be differentiated from the traditional charts, this is one of the best example. So 1710, and after that we got a very good spike in HDFC Bank. So we know where it is getting triggered and where it is getting the moment, where the moment actually starts, because of the TPO arrangements we could able to see what is happening really in the market. And every time when the market goes high, it should give you a logical reason, right, why the market is actually going upside, what it triggers, where the market is getting this trigger and also trigger moment and also everything market profile tells you. And this kind of TPO arrangement, it is not only for the stocks, it is definitely for the index and Nifty and Bank Nifty, and where we could find lots and lots of information about the differentiation which we could not find in traditional charts. So even if you transferred it to 15 minutes, it just tells you very clearly like there is an upside movement, but it will not tell you where the time has actually been spent and where the momentum has been captured, where the momentum starts. So whereas here it could easily tells you very clearly the market is having a POC, which we are going to learn it later on the next topic. And after this 1710, market is doing something with this level, and that level got triggered, and after that the spike has been generated by the HDFC Bank along with 1714 and ends with 1763. So this kind of information which we could able to see through TPO arrangement, that is an alphabetical order arrangement, which is 30 minutes, comprises of 30 minutes and from A to L, and last period M is 15 minutes. And if you see every single day, you could see the alphabetical order from A to M. Every single day you could find. So this is called TPO, and we have so many elements of TPO which we'll be discussing in the next sessions. Like we have POC, PPOX, and everything we have, which is equally important. And there are so many concepts in market profile. Every concept is equally potential to give you a lot of understanding about the market, what is really happening in the market. And with this video, I'll end up this session. I think this could be useful for your someone who really needs to know the market profile. And if you really wish to learn market profile, I think this could be a better platform. And if you really like this channel, kindly do like, share, and support my analysis, so that it could also reach to the next person who really needs this kind of market profile learning. Thanks all.